What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Unfortunately, we are already back from holiday, but in this video we're going to show you what we did on our holiday. Okay guys, so we got the boat hooked up to the truck. We're going on holidays finally with our boat, but unfortunately we are not allowed to go with this trailer through countries. It's only for small roads. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up another trailer that we rented for a week so we can enjoy our holidays. Okay guys, so we picked up a brand new trailer that we rented for 1 week. So everything looks good and hopefully everything goes well on our way to Italy. Okay guys, so during our trip to Italy, one of our spark plugs went bad due to the LPG, I guess. So we got some new spark plugs here in the north of Italy. So we're going to change all 8 of them. So we are 100% sure that all the spark plugs are okay. So even on holiday, we are working. Okay guys, so this is also Italy. From one moment we are in the full sunshine, and in just a few moments full terror of thunderstorms and hail.
So one of the buoys came loose, but luckily not ours.
So now it's time to show you around the lake with our boat. Okay guys, so we're back where we left off 1 week. We swapped the boat again from our rental trailer to our own trailer. So we're going to bring the trailer back to the owner, and that will be the end of our holiday. So as you can see from our video, we didn't do a lot. We only drove the boat around, spent all our money on gas money and food. We ate deliciously, but unfortunately after 1 week we are back. So this will be the end of this video. Guys, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below, and also make sure that those post notifications are on as well. As always, thanks for watching, and hopefully see you guys in our next video.